Welcome back, everyone. This is the second part of the wall replacement project. We've already deleted the white wall that was the original background of this picture. So the next thing that we want to do is insert the new wall behind the girl. To insert a second image, what we want to do is we want to go to File at the top left and then click Open and Place. This is going to open up your browser and you want to just search for the second file that you downloaded from the assignment, which is called mural.jpg and looks kind of like this. We're going to just open that up. And it's going to look like this. It's going to have these boxes on the corners and on the sides. This just means that it is in transformation mode. You'll notice also that it did create a new layer when we placed it, and it has this little tiny rectangle on the layer icon. This just means that it's a smart object. So if you make it tiny and then you try making it big again, it won't lose any of its quality. Now what I want to do is zoom out. And I'm going to figure that this whole area that's checkered, I want the whole area to be this mural. I don't want any of this sky or this brick building or the parking lot. So I want to make this picture really, really big enough to where only this mural painted portion is going to appear. To do this, I'm going to zoom out even more. And I'm going to hold Shift on my keyboard. I'm going to hold it the whole time. And I'm going to take one of these corners, the bottom right corner, and click and drag as I'm holding Shift to make this image larger. Then I'll let go of my click, but I won't let go of Shift. And I'll move to the top left corner. Again, I'm still holding Shift, and I'm going to click and drag all the way until I see that the mural is the only part that's visible in the canvas. At this point, I can now just press Enter on my keyboard, or I can click this check mark up here to finish my transformation. Now it looks like the girl has disappeared, but what's really happened is the mural layer has just gone on top of the layer with the girl on it. So we just have to click and drag the mural layer to put it behind the background layer. And now you'll see the girl appear as well as the original sidewalk that she was standing on. Now we want to center it a little bit so it doesn't look like the mural's just floating with this parking lot thing. So we're going to go to our Move tool, which is the first tool in the toolbar, and we're just going to click and drag the background to place it where we want. Now it looks like I'm still getting a little bit of brick building here. If this happens to you, what you want to do is zoom out again, just as far as you were when you placed the image and started enlarging it. And making sure you are clicked on the mural layer, go to Edit and Free Transform. Free Transform makes it so we can change the size of it and warp it. So it was a little too small. I want to make it a little bit larger. I'm going to hold Shift again, and I'm going to click and drag the top right corner and just make it a bit larger. And then I let go of my click first, then I let go of the Shift key. And now I can press the check mark one more time to finish my transformation. Zoom in and click and drag the mural to place it as you want to see it. That's all for this video. In the next one, I'll show you guys how to make the colors match a little bit more and clean up the image of the girl.